Look at what we found here. This one is beautiful. Look at this. Look at that. How y'all doing? Look at that. Look at that. What's the wheelbase? 312. She's good, man. She's beautiful. What year? 19. You said what? 19. 19? Wow. What motor? Cummins, yeah. They get the job done. And these guys are camped out. Oh my God, look at her. I like the red lights up front. That's pretty scary. Got red, or oh no, that's dark amber. That is beautiful. I gotta ask him where in the hell he got them from. I gotta know where you got them dark ambers from.
They're all United Pacific.
Okay, I have some on mine. I had to take them off because it's hard to find more of them.
When I buy them, I got
I mean, I don't even know where to start. I seen him drive by and I had to come run down here and catch this bad boy. Where do I start? Mirrors. I mean, there's so much. Those air cleaners, lights, the grill. You can just go on and on. Look at this. Thought about doing a light on the frame like that on the W9, but I go back and forth on it. That's how you do it right there. You just lay out. Oh shit, look at this T-bar on the back. I like his T-bar. Probably looks good at night. Dark amber with red lights. Looks really good. Back doors, well, painted accessories on the back doors. Yeah, look at that big truck. Look at this Pete though, man. He came in, he was tucking his tail, man. He had the back wheel off the ground, the stretch on it. That's a nice looking Pete over there too. This one here, cattle hauler, man. Let's see, you got that back wheel up still? Nah, he put it down. Oh no, it's still up. That back wheel's still up. He said it's a 300 wheelbase, 2003. I like the clean roof. Hey, put the button lights on the roof. That's it right there. I like that. In there sitting low. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Look at all that blue. He blued it out. Blue lens. Blue stripes. I see you, buddy. You got the skulls on there. Wait. Got the white seats in there. I see you, buddy. I see you. Got the T-bar on the trailer. I see you, buddy. I see you, buddy. Go ahead, buddy. Go ahead, buddy. You got stuff on the back of. Go ahead, buddy. I see you. Oh, I like the lights though on the trailer. The clear ones. I like that. Those are bright, I bet, at night. I see you, buddy. Got his utility Peter car look good. I see you, buddy.